I'm gonna do things to her character.
Whoa. Alright, let's find a car. Try to
Hey guys, I'm gonna have to go.
Right on, well done.
Dude, I bet you Candy. Is Candy Girl really a girl?
Yes, I don't think
Yes, she is.
Dude, I bet you she's like ugly as shit.
Candy Girl's hot. I've seen her.
Dude, that's mean.
Yeah, right.
We MySpace each other all the time in MSN.
Uh-huh.
I MySpace your mom every night. Yeah.
What? I'm in the burger shop.
You want to get a burger? Is
Fuck
anybody
that
in there?
place.
Is there anybody in there?
I fuck your mom every night.
Dude, let me back in there. I fell out.
Hurry up, dude, because your front passenger wheel looks like it's about to fall out.
You love it. I know you love the burger shop. Everybody does.
There's nobody here. Why isn't anybody working at Burger Shack today?
Oh my god. They
I'm
pay
a
only
freaking
$1
car
an
blow
hour.
up, dude.
I mean, come on. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the worst service.
I don't
ever.
see
Get out of here.
see nothing. Oh, way to hit me, Jag.
You guys missed it, yeah.
What
Dude,
happened?
how'd our car blow up?
I don't know.
Oh my god, I think I just shit my pants. I'm not even joking. There's the road. I
Wait, who's this? Oh, whoa. Cars over here.
Here you go, guys. Orange, purple. Hop on in.
Yeah.
All
What do you guys
right.
want ahead?
Right.
All right. Thanks for the pickup.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, sorry, but I got to do this. I haven't did this for a while.
What?
Goodbye.
Oh, you bastard!
I knew what you were gonna do. I knew what you were gonna do.
And that way they gotta
Ah, oh my god.
crash into the water.